Dear students, welcome to the class of Construction 1. In this period, we shall study about how to divide the given line segment in the given ratio. Okay, so now I am taking a problem. Divide the given line segment in the ratio, in the given ratio. Draw the given line segment AB equal to 10 centimeter and divide that into the 3:2 ratio and measure them. So this is the problem. Draw the given line segment AB equal to 10 centimeter and divide that into 3:2 ratio and measure them. So this is the problem. So now here I will show a construction, how to construct. So first draw the line segment 10 centimeter. Like this, observe here. Now construct an acute angle at A. Construct an acute angle at A like this. At B. Construct an acute angle at A, not B, okay? Construct an angle at B. So now divide the given line segment AC into here 3:2 ratio. So therefore divide 5 equal parts AC. Divide AC into 5 equal parts. So now K, L, M, N. Like this by using protractor, by using compass. Now this is the last point. Yes, R. Similarly, with the same radius from the point B, cut 5 equal arcs on BD like this. Why 5 arcs? Because ratio is given 3:2. So therefore 3 plus 2 equal to 5. U, V, W, X, Y. These are the 5 arcs. So now join A and Y. So we want 3:2 ratio. So therefore 1, 2, 3. After 3, that is M. Here after 3, Y. So therefore add this M and Y, join M and Y, and after 2 parts, so join R and B. So this is the 3:2 ratio. Now measure this AB, MV divided AB into 3:2 ratio. Measure this and write what is the length of this. Okay, so measure this and write the length of these parts. You will get, because 10, I am taking 10 centimeter. So 3 into 2, 6. This is 2 into 2, 4. This is 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter you will get, because 3:2 ratio. So now I will take another problem. Draw the line segments AB into 10 centimeter and divide that into the ratio 3:2:1 and measure them. So now same way, here 3:2:1. So therefore we have to draw 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 arcs. Observe here, observe the video. First draw the line segment 10 centimeter. And construct an acute angle at A. Construct an acute angle at A. Okay. So this is at A. Any acute angle, either 40, 50, like that. So now draw the 6 equal arcs. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 arcs, which are equal by same radius. Observe here. Now from P with same radius, cut at Q. Now from Q with the same radius, cut at R. Now from R with the same radius, cut at S. Now with the same radius from R, cut at S. Now with the same radius, cut at T. From T with same radius, cut at now 6 arcs, 6 equal parts. Similarly, draw an acute angle at B like this. Draw an acute angle at B like this. So here also cut this line with same radius, 6 equal parts. Now this point is K. From K with same radius, V. From V with same radius, W. With same radius, X. With same radius at Y. Now from Y with same radius, cut at Z. Now these are the 6 equal parts. Now join A and Z. First join A and Z. Now we want 3:2:1. So therefore PQR, there 3. Here also YZW 3. So join R and W like this. So next two parts 1 2. Here also 1 2. So join TK. So now here 1 remains. So this is 3:2:1 ratio. 3:2:1 ratio. So now measure this length and measure this length and measure this length and write yourself. Okay. So now this is how to divide the given line segment in the given ratio. So here problem for solve yourself. Here 4 problems are given. So go through this and try to construct these. Okay. Thank you.